Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how you can log into your Call of Duty mobile account. First of all, launch open the Call of Duty mobile app on your device and you will be presented with the login screen. Here, you can select any one login options to sign into your Call of Duty account. You can play Call of Duty Mobile as a guest by tapping on guest at the bottom left. Similarly, you can also go ahead and choose the Call of Duty option and log in using your Call of Duty account. You will then be able to see the login interface where you can enter your email address and password to sign into your Call of Duty account, and then you will be able to play your game. You can also use sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple or Google option. Choose any one sign-in method you would like to use in order to log in. According to your login type, you may need to go ahead and enter your email and password that you've previously created while registering for Call of Duty. Right after you are done, you will then be able to get back to the game and enjoy. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.